Ever watched an anime and felt that gut punch of emotion, but have no idea how they did that? What if you could learn to animate those raw feelings yourself, making your characters truly connect with your audience? Hey animators! Today we're breaking down exactly how to inject genuine emotion into your anime scenes. Forget stiff movements. We're talking about bringing your characters to life. In the next few minutes, you'll get a step-by-step guide to animating characters that audiences will cry with, cheer for, and remember. First, you gotta feel it. Before you even touch your software, understand the emotion. Is it subtle sadness, explosive rage, or quiet determination? Look at reference. Real human expressions or stills from other anime. We're not just drawing a sad face, we're drawing someone experiencing sadness. Think about what that does to their posture, their breathing, their micro-expressions. That's the secret sauce. Step 2. Body language speaks louder. This is where most beginners miss the mark. Emotion isn't just in the face. It's in the slump of the shoulders when defeated, the tense jaw before a fight, the slight tremor of a hand reaching out. Start with the pull of the body. If a character is heartbroken, they aren't just frowning, their whole body is heavy. Try exaggerating these poses slightly. Think about weight and momentum. This sets the stage for the facial animation. Step 3. The power of the eyes. The eyes are everything. A slight widening shows shock. A narrowing means suspicion or anger. Tears welling up, a single tear falling, the way the eyelids droop. These are your most powerful tools. Don't forget micro-expressions. Those tiny, fleeting movements, a twitch of the lip, a flicker of the brow, they add incredible realism. Animate them subtly. Too much and it looks cartoony. Too little and it's missed. It's a delicate balance. Step 4. Timing, spacing, and follow-through. This is the magic that makes it all flow. Emotional moments have specific pauses and accelerations. A character might freeze in shock, then their expression crumples. Think follow-through. If a character slams their fist down in anger, their hand doesn't just stop. There's a recoil, a lingering tension. Master these principles, and your characters won't just look emotional, they'll feel it. So there you have it, the key steps to animating truly emotional anime scenes. If this helped you, smash that like button. And tell me in the comments, what's the hardest emotion for you to animate? Keep practicing, keep observing, and I'll see you in the next one.